Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have another unboxing video for you. It's the FabFitFun summer box. So here it is. It's huge, but I'll try and fit it in as best that I can. And as always, if you love FabFitFun or any kind of subscription box unboxings on my channel, the easiest way to let me know is just by liking this video, and then I'll know what content to make more for you guys. So thanks for that, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. So I'll have everything linked below of what is in the items that are in this box if you're interested. Also, I will link my other FabFitFun unboxings. So here's what it looks like when I just open it. It's huge. It's kind of hard to put the whole thing in the camera, so I'll just show you piece by piece. Here is a code for $15 off your first box if you're interested. Here's a code for HelloFresh if you're interested. This is the magazine. Ava Longoria is in it this month. She's so pretty. So I became an annual subscriber for FabFitFun, which just means that I get to customize my items. I get to customize, I think, 5 items in each box, which really makes a big difference. And also I get first dibs to the add-on sale. So I would recommend, if you are interested, to become an annual subscriber, because I think if you just do box by box, you only get to pick like 2 or 3, and it really makes all the difference. Because looking into this box, I just pretty much love everything already. So first thing that I got, these just come in everyone's box, these items. So this one is the Whish foot exfoliating mask, which is perfect for summer because you want your feet to look good in the summertime. So it's supposed to exfoliate, polish, and soothe and smooth. It's just like a cream foot mask, so I'm excited to try this. I'll include all the links with the prices underneath because I just don't have it on anywhere here. So next is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. So it's like a toner or a refresher, which rose always seems to go really well with my dry and sensitive skin. So I'm excited about this. The next item I chose as one of my selections, it's a set of these 3 West Elm Bowls. They're really pretty pattern. Let me just open it. They're a really pretty pattern, and they all kind of fit into each other, so they're easy to store in your cupboard. And I just love the pattern. They remind me of something that I saw when I went to Mexico. And they're so cute. So this is what they look like. They're so pretty. And you see that all 3 of them are in different sizes. They'd be good for like snacks or something, and they all fit together in your cupboard, and they're all different designs. So they're beautiful. So they're beautiful. So I'm so happy that I chose these. You always need extra bowls. The next is in everyone's box as well. It's this Generation Clay. The next is in everyone's box as well. It's this Generation Clay brightening purple clay mask. Here's what it looks like. I have a review coming on another generation. This is what it looks like. Full size again. And what I love about FabFitFun is that they include skincare, household, makeup, fitness, like a little bit of everything. So it's so exciting, and even fashion and jewelry as well, which I love. And this mask here, I have a review coming on another Generation Clay mask that I've been trying, and I really loved that one. So I have high hopes for this one. So I'm super happy with this. And then next into more stuff. Oh, this one everyone gets as well. It's these Invisibobble hair ties. I use these all the time, so I would love to have more. And there's clear and nude ones, so really I think anyone would love these, so I'm super happy about these. They're in the colors Crystal Clear and To Be Nude to be or nude to be. That's cute. So that's what they look like. And there's 6 of them in total. They last forever. I got some of these from Sephora and I still haven't replaced some of them yet. Okay, so now on to the good stuff that I picked myself. So I'm super, super happy with it. So the first thing is the Sol de Janeiro. This came in a kit. The Body Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Sol de Janeiro products I've tried and I just really enjoy the smell, and they're super pricey as well, so I was so happy to get a full size of this. So this is their shower cream, Brazilian Foreplay, and then it also came, that set came with this one too. It's just a mini of the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So actually I think this is like the medium version. It's bigger than the ones we've gotten in BoxyCharms before. So I'm super happy to get to pick those. So I was really excited about that. And then the next thing that I chose is, of course, this Kula sunscreen. It's cruelty-free vegan. This Kula sunscreen, it's cruelty-free vegan, and I love that it's a sunscreen that you can spray on, so it's easy to reapply and apply over makeup. It's a makeup setting spray actually, and it's 70% organic. You guys can tell by my videos that I'm extremely fair and I always get sunspots, so I'm really good with applying sunscreen, so I'm super happy to pick this one. And next, this I chose as well. So this I chose as well. It's the ICO Liquid Eyeliner. I've tried a mini of this a long time ago and I really love it. It's a great eyeliner. It has a felt tip. It has a felt tip, so it's super easy to apply, and it's really black and it lasts a long time on your eyes, doesn't smudge or anything. So I knew I liked this, so that's why I picked it. And I always love to use liquid eyeliner. I'm wearing it today as well. Just the mini of this one, not the full size. The mini I got from like an Ipsy, I think, and I really love it. Last item I chose as well. It's this Gennifer Zollner jewelry. It's this double necklace. You can wear it short or long, but it's double paneled with stars on it. And it says, this is what it looks like. And then the back of it, so you could see, you can make it as long as or as short as you wanted to. It's a really dainty, I love dainty type of jewelry like this. So it's really pretty. So that's everything that I received in my box. I'm so happy with it because I picked 5 or 6 of the items in it, and so I could pretty much guarantee that I loved everything, and I've already customized for my fall box, so that'll be coming for you as well. Let me know underneath, what did you guys get, and did you enjoy your boxes? Do you guys do like the just month to month, or do you do the annual to customize more? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day, and don't forget to subscribe, so I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!